I'm 18 and looking to start investing. Is my investment plan good for my age? I'm an 18-year-old looking to start investing for the future. I'd like to have a good balance of single stocks, ETFs and long-term stuff like bonds. I've put together a percentages chart that I think seems good, but I'm obviously not the most knowledgeable on the stock market. Here's my plan: 10% of money in safe assets, like US Gov. Bonds 50% in S&P 500, long-term investments 25% in dividends, 15% in single stocks. So, what's your opinion on how I should invest as an 18-year-old? Do I need to focus on long-term, short-term, or a different ratio than I currently am exploring?
This is a fundamentally opinion-based issue, but I feel at 18 your plan had two flaws. Firstly, it is a bit too risk-averse. You have many years to invest and bonds tend to give very poor yields in the long term. Second, you have no international exposure. In most cases, if you have a longer time horizon, it can be worth having some international funds. I would instead suggest something more like 50% US index funds, 25% international index funds, 15% individual stocks, 10% investment-grade corporate bonds. Also note the stock market just took a substantial fall, so it is probably a good time to heavily jump into the stock market as opposed to when it is higher. Bond yields are also very low right now, so shall yield even less than normal. Your outlook is somewhat dependent on when you suspect you will need the money. The above plan would be appropriate if you are in it for the relatively long term. If you will need money in a few years, you may want to be more conservative. Also note there are robo-advisors who are able to automatically rebalance your portfolio as values to change to maintain your risk profile. Schwab Intelligent Portfolio is a free one, but there are many available and suggest you look into them.